Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and David is now gonna fix this Galaxy S20 FE with cracked display. So let's go replace and fix this. So to start off, we're gonna remove the back cover on this S20 FE, and this is gonna be a quick one because David is known as the Galaxy expert, so everything Samsung is easily fixed by this guy. The adhesives on the back of this smartphone is pretty tight, so this is gonna be the first time it's gonna be opened. So we're gonna take our time, slowly slice through the adhesive without totally wrecking it, because we can still reuse that later on when we reassemble the whole thing. These adhesives are very good. Even if your smartphone gets hot, they don't really melt and just give out the back cover. They still hold on, and then when it cools down, they harden back. We're gonna remove the screws on the covers for the daughter board and the main board. So both components are covered with this plastic. They just communicate with that wide flat cable that goes through the battery, right over the battery I mean. And then we're gonna remove the SIM card tray to release the main board. This is gonna be a single module, which is kind of nice. As you can see, as we disassemble the whole thing, you can see that the higher end smartphones from Samsung are pretty nicely assembled. You can service them without any problem, really. So this is gonna be the replacement screen / housing. So we're just gonna transplant all the things that we have removed from the old one right to this module. So we're gonna screw in what we can screw for now. You can even complete this assembly of the daughter board at the bottom, and then we're still gonna remove the battery from the old screen and then transplant them here. And attach the flex cable and then cover it up with the cover for the main board, and then we're almost gonna be done. So we haven't tried the display while the smartphone is partially disassembled. That's the main thing about this repair. So if you don't know what you're doing, if you're not sure that you have the right part for the job, if you have problems with compatibility or confirming that the parts are gonna be ordering for the repair is gonna be good for the job, then you can just ask a certified technician and have them fix your smartphone for you. They're gonna do three main things: source the parts, do the repair, and then give you some warranty if the repair doesn't go well after it's finished. So this one is finished. David is gonna give a limited warranty to the client, and of course, if you're gonna DIY this, you're not gonna get those benefits. So just think about it. If you want less hassle, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and David here is gonna do the same fix on your Galaxy S20 FE and maybe your iPhone 11 or 12 or 14. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. See you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?